Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka recycle Bazzar ke beri ka company ke bajupan kelai ki marjat syakimar ki bala ban punan kambiang kelenang kiyo kat badang mi kisngi ha ka ba ki beriu kila sedang ban itho bat kila sedang ban ai syaki ki tiar bom jupanan kamshu kani ka company ke bala sedang ha usnam arja pusau ke bala seng de uroni saha bat ka thong jo kani ka company kalong ban Pyllait ya ke Jingbret Pathar ki jabo bat ki tiar bom punan kamshu Om tang kata kani ke company ke siu pisaru syaki beriu ki baai syaki yakini ki tiar bat ki mar bom pen kamshu ki tiar ki kentup ya ki plastik ki tin bat kinu ki tiar jot kinu ki bakwa ban pha syaki ban ai ki mar jot jongki ki hab ban pli ka website bat ka app jongki ka recycle Bazzar bat ban ai ki jingtip ki babanya kat kum balapan hapo kate ka website bat ka app bat hadin kata ki beriu jong ka company kin sawan Shim hi ki tiar ha ki Ïing jongki bat kin sa siu ru da ka pisah unong san Hima ulayo banekran ber unong seng ya ka company uroni saha ha usnam baladap ha ka ba ulong ba uju sngotanat ban lum ki tiar bat ki nyut da ka phya la ka jong ki mar ba put bat ki bam put bat usdang ya ka kam da ka ba treilang bat umama jong u ko mashisnam tam bat haba ulas nguthu ya ka rukam pentrei kam ulas dang bat ban seng da ka jong la jong kani ka company ka yarap shibur na kabenta ban yo e ka saudong saukun ka bakhut ha ka baki beriu ki yo ban dia ki tiar jot jongki shikani ka company bat kan Pyllait ban bret Pathar ki ha ka saudong saukun umentri rang ba ka jila ukan rat sangma ula ajing kershan ni kani ka company dak bakentui ki nong shong shnong bakin kershan bat kentiu ya kani ka company.
Friends, I'm here with the founders of Recycle Bazzar Private Limited right here in Shillong in Meghalaya. And they have an amazing concept and an amazing company where they pick up any kind of waste based on technology. You just have to go to the platform, you just have to go to their website and put the necessary details, and their team will come and collect all your trash and all your garbage and process it in a recycled manner.
Also, we pay for the trash.
Also, they pay for the trash. So it's amazing. I think it's a win-win situation. I urge our people, we must promote this and we must support the company in their future endeavors. Thank you very much.